Marriage is a commitment in life, where two people can find and bring out the very best in each other. It offers opportunities for sharing and growth that no other human relationship can equal. A physical and emotional joining that has the promise of a lifetime. We're gathered here together on this day to witness and celebrate the marriage of Ron and Sara. We come together not to mark the start of a relationship, but to acknowledge and strengthen a bond that already exists. This ceremony is a public affirmation of that bond, and as their dearest family and friends, it is our honor and privilege to stand witness to this event.
Still honest, unknown, a better place. These are the ones. Love praise from every guess. I've drawn my birthplace. I don't need a friend. I won't let it end.
Sara, you came into my life at a time that was very emotional for me, but with your smile, you were able to help me through it and understand that everything happens for a reason. I can't thank you enough for that. I promise to always protect you, make you laugh, and keep life exciting. Thank you for helping me become a man and for being the woman that I need and you are. Love always, Ronnie.
Ron, the day is finally here. After 8 years together, we're getting married. I've been trying to take deep breaths all morning to be present in the day and acknowledge everything that's going on. The music playing, the conversation amongst our closest friends and family, and every detail because I know that it'll go by so quickly. I can't wait to be your wife. I can truly say that you have been a blessing in my life, and I can't picture it without you. Your work ethic and generosity inspires me on a daily basis. You've pushed yourself to achieve what some might view as unattainable and continue to strive to be the best every day. I'm extremely proud of you and honored to soon be your wife. I promise to always be there if you need something, someone to talk to, bounce ideas off of, motivate you, support you, or just be silly around. You have been my best friend, mentor, playmate, confidant, and my greatest challenge. But most importantly, you are the love of my life, and you make me happier than I could ever imagine and more loved than I ever thought possible. You have made me a better person. As our love grows, I can only see bigger things for us. So I am truly blessed to be a part of your life, which as today becomes our life together.
Aww.
I thought that was so nice. That's what I was doing
It's like
this morning.
the night we met, right?
Yeah, the night you met in Evansburg Sky.
Aww.
Wow. Very nice. Beautiful. Beautiful. Am I allowed to approach? Or is that against the rules? Very nice.
Get fun?
Mm-hmm.
You need a hanky?
I'm good. Just had to get one out. You let her have me cry.
Yours too.
Okay, we're good now.
This can be fun.
Yeah.
I'm happy.
Marriage deepens and enriches every facet of life. Happiness is fuller, memories are fresher, commitment is stronger.
Aww. So creative. Who made this? If you get a
One, two.
Marriage understands and forgives the mistakes life is unable to avoid. It encourages and nurtures new life, new experiences, and new ways of expressing love through the seasons of life. Seeing that no moment is without meaning, we ask that you take this marriage as a beginning of your lives together. Today signifies the creation of a new home and a new family for you both. May you be fulfilled by each other's love and friendship. May you be overjoyed by the promises you are about to make and a life together you will create. Remember that in every marriage, there are good times and bad, times of joy and times of sorrow. Marriage is a journey, a time of adventure and excitement, enhanced by the love, trust, dedication, and faith you share with one another. Continue to work to build a foundation that will support the lasting relationship that is marriage.
I, Ron,
Take you, Sarah,
take you, Sarah,
to be my lawful wedded wife.
to be my lawful wedded wife.
I give to you,
I give to you,
in the presence of God
in the presence of God
and these witnesses,
and these witnesses,
my promise
my promise
to stay by your side,
to stay by your side,
in sickness and in health,
in sickness and in health,
in joy and in sorrow,
joy and in sorrow,
as well as
through
the good times
the good times
and the bad.
and the bad.
I promise to love you
I promise to love you
without reservation,
without reservation,
comfort you
comfort you
in times of distress,
in times of distress,
encourage you
encourage you
to achieve all of your goals,
to achieve all of your goals,
laugh with you
laugh with you
and cry with you,
and cry with you,
grow with you
grow with you
in mind and spirit,
in mind and spirit,
always be open
always be open
and honest with you,
and honest with you,
and cherish you
and cherish you
for as long as we both shall live.
for as long as we both shall live.
Hi, Sarah.
Take you, Ron,
Take you, Ron,
to be my lawful wedded husband.
to be my lawful wedded husband.
I give to you,
I give to you,
in the presence of God
in the presence of God
and these witnesses,
and these witnesses,
my promise
my promise
to stay by your side,
to stay by your side,
in sickness and in health,
in sickness and in health,
in joy and in sorrow,
in joy and in sorrow,
as well as through the good times
through the good time
and the bad.
and the bad.
I promise to love you
I promise to love you
without reservation,
without reservation,
comfort you
comfort you
in times of distress,
in times of distress,
encourage you
encourage you
to achieve all of your goals,
to achieve all of your goals,
laugh with you
laugh with you
and cry with you,
and cry with you,
grow with you
grow with you
in mind and spirit,
and mind and spirit,
always be open
always be open
and honest with you,
and honest with you,
and cherish you
and cherish you
for as long as we both shall live.
for as long as we both shall live.
As the Mayor of Evansburg, it is my honor to now pronounce husband and wife. And now kiss the bride. Ladies and gentlemen, it is my honor to be the first to introduce to you Mr. and Mrs. Ron and Sara Casado.
Give it up for Mr. and Mrs. Ron and Sara Casado!
Sara, you are the most kind-hearted and thoughtful person I know, and I cherish our friendship. As we're getting older, it's easy to see that a friend like you is rare. and usually only comes around once in a lifetime. Ron, you are the luckiest guy in this room tonight. Thank you for making Sara so happy, not just today, but every day.
Senior year, Sara started bringing Peanut around. I knew this relationship was very special from the beginning. If he didn't come to Slippery Rock, she would go to wherever he was, and I was so happy for her. Like, I knew it was the perfect relationship. I think a few months later, I found out his actual name was Ron. Sara's usually a very, very happy person, but when Peanut was around, her smile always got a lot brighter.
Sara, you look beautiful today. You're such a sweetheart. Everything just turned out perfect this whole weekend. The nicest things I can say about you are how much his family loves you. When I see like Allie and Aiden look at you, I know how much that means to him. I know how much it means to Michelle, to Carrie. And if he would have waited any longer, they might have traded just straight up you for him, you know.
She closed her eyes and prayed to God she wasn't here tonight. A stranger's arms never feel quite right. Knew it from the start. It never ends. She wanted love but settled for pretend. As if this boy could ever start to mend her broken heart. She wants a real love, always gonna be here love. Something more than a Friday night. She wishes she could get back. She wants a love that lasts, love that lasts. Oh yeah. We're all searching for the same thing. Can't deny what we're needing. We need love to stick around through the ups and downs and be there in the morning. Yeah. She wants a real